करने को दिखा नहीं यहाँ पे इस टूर्नामेंट में अब तक। और जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कश्यप और रुम्बाका का मैच जो अभी शुरू होगा यहाँ पर भास्कर रेड्डी इंडोर स्टेडियम में हैदराबाद में, जो सीधा प्रसारण आपके सामने दूरदर्शन ला रहा है। 24 वर्षीय कश्यप तीसरी स्थान पे उनकी रैंकिंग है, यहाँ पे सीडिंग है। और कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स के ब्रॉन्ज मेडल विजेता, बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन उनका वहां पे रहा था टीम गेम्स और इंडिविजुअल इवेंट्स दोनों में। और उनसे यही अपेक्षा है कि कम से कम एक भारतीय खिलाड़ी फाइनल में पहुंचेगा। डबल्स में ये हमारे चेयर एम्पायर आज के गिरीश नाटू, जो बीआई इंटरनेशनल इवेंट्स के लिएजन ऑफिसर भी हैं। बहुत ही तजुर्बा है गिरीश को, पूना से आते हैं गिरीश। और पूरा परिवार इनका एक तरीके से बैडमिंटन की सर्विस में जुटा है। और यहाँ पे परुपल्ली कश्यप तैयार होते समय मेरे साथ में अनिल बहल। अनिल, I think the less we talk about Purupalli Kashyap, in the sense that the man has been playing so well. Last season especially has been a particularly good one for him. Reached the semi-finals of the Singapore series. Semi-finals of the Commonwealth Games helped India getting the silver medal in the team championship. I think a lot of things going for him as far as this match is concerned.
Yes, Sanjay, there he is on your screen. The man in form. Good evening, viewers. The concluding match of today's program, the men's singles semi-final, the second singles semi-final between the top-seeded Rumbaka of Indonesia and third-seeded Kashyap of India. The last edition of this tournament saw Rumbaka featuring in the final. It was in Lucknow, of course, where Rumbaka was on the losing side, the winner being Chetan Anand. Chetan Anand, unfortunately not doing too well in this edition. Knocked out at the pre-quarterfinal stage. And Kashyap, the home favorite, playing in front of his home crowd in this semi-final. The winner of this, of course, faces the unseeded Thai Supanyu Avingsanon in the final tomorrow in the men's singles. Avingsanon, unseeded here, the conqueror of Chetan Anand, thereafter Arvind Bhatt, and today Yunus Alamsyah of Indonesia in the semi-final played earlier. So we already have Avingsanon, the unseeded Thai, in the final, waiting the winner of this match about to commence.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Kashyap and the top seed.
On my right, Dionysius Hayam Rumbaka, Indonesia. And on my left, P. Kashyap, India. P. Kashyap to serve. Love all. Play.
Starting with the service going out.
Service over. 1 love.
Nice down the line smash by Rumbaka.
2
Taking early
love.
2-0 lead in this first game. The back of my mind, I wonder if Kashyap has fully recovered from yesterday's grueling quarterfinal. Oh, lovely backhand smash.
3 love.
There it comes. Yesterday's quarterfinal between Kashyap and Tommy Sugiarto was a cliffhanger. Went into 3 very, very well fought games. First point for Kashyap.
Service over.
Courtesy that
1
lift into
3.
the net by Rumbaka. There it is.
Hey!
Nice play at the net by Kashyap this time.
2 3.
Very, very well controlled. A very difficult shot. Here it comes. Very difficult to control that dribble. Did it to perfection. 2-3. Superb cross-court smash.
Service over.
Very well angled.
4
Last moment
2.
movement of the wrist there, slicing that shuttle. 4-2. And with that error at the net by Kashyap, it's 5-2. Rumbaka having a relatively easy quarterfinal yesterday. Excellent deception there at the net.
6.
Really moving Kashyap forward, and the flick going right to the baseline. Kashyap totally deceived. Very well placed. Well, it's 3-6. And as I was saying, Rumbaka yesterday prevailing over Aditya Alango very comfortably, 21-13, 21-8. Kashyap, on the other hand, really having his work cut out. And has he fully recovered? Well, 4-8.
4-6.
Not controlling that backhand into the sideline. Sanjay, like I was saying, what do you feel about Kashyap having recovered or not recovered?
Well, he had a long, tough match, but I think these are the sort of things that these players today have to take in their strides. I saw him practicing in the morning. He was also with the physio, so should have recovered. यहाँ पे इस समय 2 अंकों से पीछे कश्यप, ये आखिरी पॉइंट अच्छा स्मैश के साथ में शुरुआत थोड़ी धीरे करी उन्होंने जरूर, पर जैसे उनका बदन में गर्मी आती जा रही है, कश्यप अपने गेम का स्तर बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं. 5-7. सेमीफाइनल्स सिंगापुर सुपर सीरीज के पहुंचे थे कश्यप. कुछ इशारा कर रहे हैं, कुछ गड़बड़ जहां पे फोटोग्राफर्स और हमारे डीडी के भी कैमरेज लगे हुए हैं.
Sanjay, what he's hinting at, this is someone talking and disturbing him.
Yeah, could be. बाहर स्मैश, अच्छी तरीके से उन्होंने कोना चुना था. बहुत अच्छा मौका था उनके लिए.
5.
छोटे कद के कश्यप, बट जो जंप स्मैश करके अच्छी खासी हाइट ले लेते हैं स्मैश में. देखिए ये भी उछल के 6-8.
सर्विस ओवर.
एक और खूबी कश्यप की, जैसे आखिरी पॉइंट हम देख रहे हैं कि हर समय अटैक के मोड में रहते हैं. डिफेंसिव गेम खेलना, रक्षात्मक खेल नहीं खेलते वो. हर समय मौके की तलाश में रहते हैं किसी प्रकार से शटल को, क्योंकि उनका जो स्मैश के पीछे का जो रिकवरी पोर्शन है वो बड़ा स्विफ्ट है. बड़ी रफ्तार से वो मिडिल ऑफ द कोर्ट में आ जाते हैं कश्यप अपने स्मैश के पीछे.
करेक्शन इन.
गिरीश नाटू चेयर अंपायर भी सहमत है उससे. वो देख रहे थे शटल को, चेस करी थी उन्होंने, शटल बाहर थी और कमेंट्री पोजीशन से भी लग रहा था शटल थोड़ी सी बाहर साइडलाइन की. तो सही निर्णय दोनों का.
Sanjay, he's overruled the linesperson.
That's what I'm saying, that he has taken the correct judgment. Girish Natu, he was chasing the shuttle right till the end. Good smash, good rally, right through, keeping the shuttle low, right behind the shuttle all the time. एक पूरा संतुलित होकर के खेल रहे थे कश्यप इस रैली को. अच्छा पॉइंट उनके लिए 7-9, और अभी भी पीछे 2 अंकों से. लो बैकहैंड सर्व हर समय एक ये नीति अपना रखे हैं काफी सिंगल्स के जो स्पेशलिस्ट हैं, जो विशेषज्ञ हैं. अच्छा रिटर्न था, बहुत ही रफ्तार से खेला गया है. रिस्टी शॉट एकदम.
10-7.
देखिए किस प्रकार से इस पॉइंट को खींचा यहां पर रुम्बाका ने. टॉप सीडेड इस मेन सिंगल्स के मेन सिंगल्स इवेंट जो खेला जा रहा है सैयद मोदी मेमोरियल इंडिया ओपन ग्रांड प्री में. 10-7. बहुत अच्छा शॉट, एकदम जो छाती खोल करके शॉट मारा था, जो करेक्ट पोजीशन होती है स्मैश करने के लिए.
Service over.
ओपन अप द बॉडी एंड गो फॉर द हिट
8.
एज एवरी कोच विल
10.
टेल यू. तो अच्छा उदाहरण यहाँ पे कश्यप का. 8-10.
Service not called.
सर्विस फॉल.
Service over. 11.
रैकेट का हेड
8.
जो था वो 45 डिग्रीज
8.
के ऊपर रहा होगा. तो यहाँ पे सर्विस वैसे भी आउट गिरी थी. 11-8 इस समय स्कोर. आई थिंक इवन स्टीवंस, Anil, not much to differentiate between the two. Both of them looking for the opportunities to go into attack, and whenever there is a chance, they're getting the points. Difficult to say at this stage who will be able to sort of pull through from this stage onwards. 11-8 the score in the middle of this first game.
Yes, Sanjay, and although, as you said, in today's day and age, these are professionals and they recover. It's part of the game. They recover the previous
20
day.
seconds.
No matter how grueling the match is,
20
they're
seconds.
full, fit, and ready for the next day. But in my mind, I'm not totally convinced. Watching Kashyap playing so far, I'm not totally convinced he's playing with the form that he was yesterday. I hope he can. It's 11-8.
11-8. Play.
There again, giving Rumbaka that lift
12,
mid-court
8.
and accepting it gratefully. There was Rumbaka with that smash, saying thank you, sir. 12-8. Well, how's that for defense and attack? The previous shot by Kashyap, beautifully retrieved by Rumbaka at full stretch, and then that cross-court smash. Lightning quick. Rumbaka to me is a much improved player as compared to last year when he was defeated by Chetan Anand in this very tournament at Lucknow, the last year's edition. Much improved Rumbaka here.
13-8. Play.
Serving now at 13-8. Very easy. Kashyap
14-8.
not covering the court well. Should have come back into position. Stayed in that corner of the court. The whole court open.
But
This time putting in a lot of power in that
Service over.
smash was Kashyap.
9-14.
9-14. Here's the smash. Rumbaka's body. And Kashyap is capable of an all-round game. He's got excellent touch play at his disposal, combined with those lethal smashes. Another smash winner. And it's 10-14.
10-14.
Oh, driving the shuttle over the baseline
Service
this time,
over.
Kashyap.
15-10.
Sanjay, I don't know. I mean, would you agree that he's just not playing the quality of badminton he played yesterday?
Yes, I think in a way you're right. But then that's where he has to focus himself. The long matches are all part of the daily life for these players right from round one when they go for the Super Series. So he just has to, of course, his reflexes seem to be slightly
16.
on the
10.
slower side. Yesterday he was covering the court extremely well. There he is leaving this one out. और 6 अंकों की यहाँ पे अच्छी खासी बढ़त दे दी उन्होंने अपने ओपोनेंट को. रुम्बाका
17-10.
17-10.
Fault.
अब की बार मौका मिला था. बैकहैंड जो पुश करा था बैकहैंड की तरफ, उसका रिटर्न मिड कोर्ट में आया
11-17.
और कश्यप तैयार थे उसके लिए. वो जंप स्मैश. बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन इस बार भी, रिट्रीविंग कैपेबिलिटी
12
दिखाई पड़ी।
17.
कश्यप की धीरे धीरे लग रहा है शायद गेम में आ जाए। अच्छा स्मैश उन्होंने उठाया था, काफी दूर था उनसे, रफ्तार में शटल आ रही थी और फिर ये जजमेंट लेकर के पॉइंट उनको मिला। 12-17 इस समय स्कोर। अभी भी एकदम नाजुक स्थिति है इस गेम की। 5 अंक का जो डिफरेंस है वो काफी महत्व रखता है, खासतौर से जब गेम के अंतिम स्थान की तरफ आप बढ़ रहे हो। 12-17। अच्छा सर्विस रिटर्न। 12-18 भांप लिया था शटल किधर आएगी, कोना कौन सा होगा, और आगे बढ़ के उसको धीरे से उन्होंने पुश कर दिया था एकदम कश्यप के बॉडी में। अच्छा निर्णायक शॉट था ये। थोड़ा बहुत ये मनोवैज्ञानिक वॉरफेयर हो रहा है, साइकोलॉजिकल वॉरफेयर जो कहा जाए। अंपायर गिरीश नाटू इस समय कुछ बोल नहीं रहे।
आउट।
उस शाउट, उस चीक के बाद समझ में आ रहा है कश्यप को कि वो
13-18
किस प्रकार से इस गेम को खेलना चाहते हैं, एकदम अटैकिंग मोड में। बेहतरीन शॉट। पहले स्मैश उन्होंने ओपनिंग बनाई, शटल कोर्ट के बीचों बीच खींची और फिर वो लगातार दूसरा स्मैश मार के वो पॉइंट उनको मिला।
18।
पहला ये डाउन द लाइन स्मैश, ये देखिए इसका रिटर्न उत्तर उसका बीच में आया, फिर ये क्रॉस कोर्ट। 14-18। 2-3 अंक इनको अगर एकदम रफ्तार में मिल जाए तो ये गेम फिर से एकदम जीवित हो जाएगा। पहला गेम इस सेमीफाइनल्स का। Definitely some sort of psychological thing going on there, Anil. Both of them trying to get an upper hand.
Well, to top it all, Sanjay, again the tape needs mending, and rather unfortunate these hold-ups in play. We saw it earlier in the women's singles semi-final, in which Sindhu was featuring against Francisca Ratnasari of Indonesia, and we saw what it did to the rhythm of Sindhu. The game just fell into pieces after that, and one only hopes that we don't have repetition of this tomorrow. It's been bad enough today. These hold-ups really affect the rhythm, the concentration of the players, and at tournament of this level, as you were saying earlier, Sanjay, one really hopes that these mishaps or these unfortunate hold-ups just do not happen. Anyway, it doesn't seem to be a major hold-up, because I think from what I can see, they're almost through with their job and on their way out now. So not too long a hold-up, fortunately. Players ready to resume.
14-18.
With Kashyap serving at 14-18. Tossing that shuttle over the baseline was Kashyap, and Rumbaka very, very comfortably placed
40.
in this first game. There we see the shuttle, good 6 inches over the baseline, and will that signal a bit of a comeback for Kashyap?
15.
Very, very lackadaisical Rumbaka with that backhand. It's 15-19. Can Kashyap make the most of that error? Another error by Rumbaka, and Kashyap now just 3 points adrift.
16-19.
16-19. Well, as I was saying, the concentration, the rhythm can get upset, and it's evidently so in the case of Rumbaka. We've seen 3 consecutive errors, And 3 very, very valuable points coming Kashyap's way as a result of those. Kashyap now serving at 17-19 after Girish Natu instructs him to go ahead with the shuttle. Chair umpire Girish Natu for this men's singles semi-final. And Kashyap wanting the tape mended again. Girish saying no, it's fine. Well, chief referee coming into play. Girish requesting the chief referee to come to court, Sanjay.
Anil, in all my, I think 35 years in badminton, I've never seen anything like this.
It's sticking just.
I've never seen a line being taped so often in a court. Maybe once or twice in couple of years I've seen. So I really don't know what to say about this. They have the other court which there is no problem. They have also rolled up 2 other courts which were in play. I don't understand why this sort of thing is being allowed to happen so much. It's breaking the rhythm of both the players.
Well, anyway, it has happened, and hopefully it won't be too long, because this is just a bit too much. All set.
17-19.
Kashyap ready to serve at 17-19.
Play.
Hopefully till the conclusion of the game, no more hold-ups. And just as I said that, Kashyap, something bothering him again.
Play.
Well, all set. 17-19.
17-19.
Oh, brilliant defense by Rumbaka this time. That was lightning reflexes to get that smash from his body.
20.
Controlled it brilliantly, that return.
17.
Taking him to game point now. 20-17.
Yes!
Yeah, that's 1 game point save.
Service over.
Still 2 more to go.
18.
Kashyap
20.
serving at 18-20. Still 2 game points in favor of Rumbaka. That's another game point save by Kashyap. Rumbaka very undecided whether he ought to leave the earlier shot or not.
20.
Finally opting to take it. Here it was along the sidelines. At the last moment took it. The result, a very, very weak return. Gratefully smashed by Kashyap to bring the score to 19-20. And a little bit of mopping up.
Thank you.
That is not too bad.
Play.
19-20. Play about to resume. Saved 2 game points as Kashyap.
Play.
Oh, it wasn't third time lucky. Rumbaka taking that first game,
won by
21-19.
Hayom Rumbaka.
The last point there,
21-19.
definitely it looked as if he slipped a little bit. I hope he has not hurt his ankle. He went the other way and then the left leg slipped. But 21-19 इस समय पहला गेम जीता है इंडोनेशिया के रुम्बाका ने. टॉप सीडेड खिलाड़ी कश्यप ने कई बार ब्रेक लिया इस पहले गेम में. जब टेप उनका कोर्ट का टेप निकल गया था तो टेप मैन को बार बार बुलाया. ये आखिरी पॉइंट देखिएगा किस तरीके ये थोड़ा स्लिप हुए थे कश्यप. और ये हाइलाइट्स हैं उस पहले गेम की जो आप इस समय देख रहे हैं. पर चिंता की बात नहीं है क्योंकि इस समय पुलेला गोपीचंद और भास्कर बाबू दोनों ही इस समय बात करते हुए कश्यप से. ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि उनको कुछ चोट लगी हो या कुछ तकलीफ हो। पर अच्छा पहला गेम, रोचक गेम रहा। हालांकि शुरुआत में कश्यप कभी भी आगे नहीं बढ़ पाया, हर समय 1-2 पॉइंट पीछे ही रहे थे और अंत में देखा गया कि वो जो एक डिफरेंस था, ही कुड नॉट जस्ट रियली स्क्रैप थ्रू दैट। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट ही डज इन द सेकंड गेम।
Well, Sanjay, yesterday he did lose the first game to Tommy Sugiarto and made a wonderful comeback. However, remains to be seen whether he can repeat that performance. Meanwhile, Sanjay, I'll be taking your leave and joining you in the commentary box will be my colleague S. Kishore. So I'll hand over the mic to S. Kishore while Sanjay will continue the commentary in Hindi. Welcome, Kishore.
Thanks very much, Anil. Well, Sanjay, Kashyap now really needs to come back in the second game. It's almost
20 seconds.
The way the quarterfinals did. Though in the quarterfinals, Kashyap seems to be much more in rhythm than what one saw him. By the time he recovered, the first game was over.
एकदम सही कहा किशोर।
Second game.
दूसरे गेम की शुरुआत 21-9, 21-19 पे जीता रुम्बाका ने पहला गेम। मिड कोर्ट रिटर्न और उस पर सही उत्तर, सही जवाब वहां पे रुम्बाका का। धमाकेदार स्मैश डाउन द लाइन, शटल को मिड कोर्ट में पकड़ा उन्होंने, कोई भी तकलीफ नहीं। मौका अब की बार कश्यप को था। अच्छी रैली थी उनके लिए, हावी रहे थे शुरुआत से ही। पहला स्मैश का रिटर्न पीछे आया, इसको वापस स्मैश करने के चक्कर में ये गलती करी उन्होंने। 2-0। और बाहुबली कश्यप का भी सीजन अगर देखा जाए किशोर, तो एक तरीके से इनका जो पूरे साल का जो उनका परफॉर्मेंस है बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ रहा है। कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स टीम में सिल्वर मेडल, इंडिविजुअल में ब्रॉन्ज मेडल और सुपर सीरीज सिंगापुर के सेमीफाइनलिस्ट, और चेन्नई में जो इंडिया ओपन हुआ था वहां पे फाइनल्स में पहुंचे थे। तौफीक हिदायत को 2 बार इन्होंने 3-3 गेम हार जरूर गए, पर बहुत लंबा गेम इन्होंने खींचा था। वर्ल्ड नंबर 2 तौफीक हिदायत, 24 वर्षीय बाहुबली कश्यप। बहुत ही पीछे से स्मैश था, उसका दंड उन्होंने यहां पे दिया। बेसलाइन से वो भी क्रॉस कोर्ट नहीं खेलना चाहिए, पर पता नहीं रुम्बाका का शायद लगा था कि यहां पॉइंट मिल सकता है उनको, पर शटल में उतनी रफ्तार नहीं थी, उतनी गति नहीं थी कि वो परुपल्ली को हरा सके। अंदर रही शटल, बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट था, स्लाइस करके शटल की गति भी कम करी और एकदम नियंत्रण के साथ उसको कोर्ट के अंदर रखा। 3-2। ये देखिए किस प्रकार से ये आया था, क्रॉस कोर्ट हाफ स्मैश टाइप का स्ट्रोक था। सर्विस पहले भाप किया था उन्होंने कि बैकहैंड फ्लिक सर्विस आएगी, तो अनुमान था किधर आएगी शटल। तैयार थे कश्यप को स्मैश के लिए। बहुत अच्छा रिटर्न, बहुत अच्छा रिट्रीट था कश्यप का। उसके साथ पूरे रैली में चारों कोने कोर्ट के उन्होंने छान मारे, पर अंत में ये लिफ्ट उनका मिड कोर्ट गया जो एकदम ड्रिबल से आया था, उसको भी उठाने में तैयार थे यहां पर कश्यप, पर अंत में एकदम नेट के पास जो लिफ्ट गया वहां पे पॉइंट लिया रुम्बाका ने। डियोनी रुम्बाका इंडोनेशिया के टॉप सीड इस मेन सिंगल्स इवेंट में। 4-3 स्कोर, दूसरा गेम। मौका दे दे यहां पर, चूके नहीं रुम्बाका। बेहतरीन स्मैश था ये, चांसेस जरूर थे पूरे कश्यप के पास में जब उन्होंने एक स्मैश मारा था, पर स्मैश को काफी ऊंचाई के साथ में उन्होंने खेला, जिसको क्रॉस कोर्ट रिटर्न करके रुम्बाका ने ओपनिंग ली और ये पॉइंट लिया। 5-3 स्कोर। किशोर, हाउ डू यू थिंक दिस इज गोइंग?
Yeah, this is of course Rumbaka just at the right time making a comeback here, but it's not going to be easy for either of the players. A dribble at the net once again.
6,
Kashyap
3.
Not able to keep it very near the net, and that slight height advantage. There you see that. That is all that Rumbaka required to finish it off. Well, this time yet another short rally.
7-3.
Rumbaka. Now slowly but surely getting a measure of his opponent. 7-3 now. Well, unforced error. Gets a point to Kashyap.
Service over.
The service back with Kashyap.
4-7.
First game also was a very close affair. And finally it was Rumbaka who won 21-19. Yes, this time couple of unforced errors. Once again, the intention that down the line smash just going into the sidelines. 5-7. Well, the dribble at the net once again going in favor of the Indonesian. Kashyap maybe a wee bit late, maybe just that wee bit late.
Yep.
Yet another point, almost 5. Gifted away over there. Kashyap needs to safeguard against it. He's not been as consistent, Sanjay, as he was last evening. 9-5 Rumbaka in the lead. Incidentally, Kashyap as I was saying, incidentally, Kashyap had lost to this very opponent in the last edition of this event, which was played at Lucknow. Rumbaka was the runner-up. Chetan Anand winning the title last year, but Chetan having lost out quite early here in the pre-quarterfinals. Well, relentless attack there.
11-5
the backhand and Kashyap, the last few points, Sanjay, nothing really going right there. You see that 11-5, 6 points lead here, could prove really decisive. The dice is loaded in favor of the Indonesian. Dionysius Rumbaka. But Kashyap is known for his fighting qualities, Sanjay. He will really have to play out of his skin to come back here.
Absolutely, we have seen his fighting qualities during the Commonwealth Games in Delhi, where he played some fantastic retrieving games against
20 seconds.
Really some famous opponents. But definitely, as Anil Bahl was saying, that maybe the long match yesterday may have slowed him down a bit, but then Kishore, these players have to take it in the stride, especially when they play the Super Series. You could have a three game match every
11,
round you play.
5. Play.
Yes, so ये कहना जरूरी होगा कि अगर वो कारण है कश्यप स्लो खेल रहे हैं तो उनकी फिटनेस में थोड़ी कमी है, खामियां उनको दूर करनी चाहिए. टॉस भी उनका पीछे नहीं जा रहा क्योंकि लगातार वहां पर रुम्बाका स्मैश करने का मौका उठा रहे हैं. और देखिए डाउन द लाइन काफी जोरों से खेला था उन्होंने और कश्यप ने वहां पे चांस भी नहीं लिया. 12-5 अच्छी खासी इस समय बढ़त 7 पॉइंट्स की. ये रुम्बाका की खासियत है, किशोर के बैकहैंड से भी वो स्मैश करने की ताक में रहता है, डरता नहीं है वो. एक ऑलराउंड जो एबिलिटी होती है बैडमिंटन में वो दिखाते हैं रुम्बाका. शटल अंदर, क्रॉस कोर्ट बैकहैंड अच्छा खेला था रुम्बाका ने.
13-6
ओवरहेड क्रॉस कोर्ट था, क्षमा चाहता हूं. बाहर मौका जरूर था, क्रॉस कोर्ट सही निर्णय भी लिया था उन्होंने किस दिशा में खेलना है.
14-6
करेक्ट चॉइस ऑफ स्ट्रोक, बट इंप्लीमेंटेशन गलत था, ज्यादा ही बाहर खींच दी उन्होंने शटल. 14-6. मुश्किल इस समय लग रहा है कश्यप को झोली में से. ही हैज टू पुल आउट समथिंग ड्रामेटिक फ्रॉम हिज आर्मरी, सो टू से. और यहां पे और उनको ऐसी कुछ गलतियों से पॉइंट भी अगर मिल जाए तो उनके लिए अच्छा होगा।
7-14
4-हैंड पुश डीप बेसलाइन में नहीं गया था, फिर भी रुम्बाका स्मैश करने में वहां पर कामयाब नहीं हुए। पंद्रह 7
Service over.
So good 8 points there, Kishore, as you see this last
7.
lift going out. And unless he does something really dramatic and pulls out something magical, then Kashyap seems to be having major problems.
Yes, Kashyap's game just falling apart over here.
Service over.
Rumbaka, very ruthless
8,
in his approach,
15.
very aggressive, and that's how top players are. Sanjay made the point of maybe Kashyap having been drained out by that 3-game quarterfinals that he played. But again, as he said, at this level, you must be prepared to play such games day in and day out.
16-8.
Saina Nehwal did it very recently to win the Super Series title. Both the semi-finals and finals. Going into 3 games, that's the sort of fitness one needs to have at this level. Well, unforced errors many, and one considers the fact that there's no drift whatsoever in the stadium. Second time that that lift has gone, this time just going beyond. Well, this time Rumbaka maybe got a bit carried away over there.
9-17.
Every point that comes Kashyap's way will be most welcome, because it's a big lead. 9-17, 8 points to catch up at this format. Well, that 8 point now becomes 9 points.
Service over.
It's 18-9.
18-9.
Kashyap trying something, trying to create those angles, but nothing going right for him. Been rather inconsistent compared to the way he played last evening against Tommy Sugiarto. Well, once again, just the shuttle.
Out.
The intention was all right, execution not quite so. Well, is it? Yes, just on the line.
Service over.
At least 1 point coming his way now. 10-19 that would be.
19.
And Kashyap remains the last hope for India. The only Indian remaining in the fray in all the categories, all the 5 categories, here at the India Open Grand Prix International Badminton Tournament. In memory of Syed Modi.
11-19.
Tournament being held here at the Kotla Vijay Bhaskar Reddy Indoor Stadium, Yusuf Guda, Hyderabad. This live and exclusive broadcast will continue tomorrow. The grand finale will start at 2 in the afternoon. 11-19, last maybe just hanging in there, Kashyap. Well, with a superbly executed down the line winner, it's match point
20,
now.
Match point 11
for Rumbaka. Dionysius Rumbaka, the top seed. Well, that was very well controlled. Maybe
service over.
Maybe these
12
points coming
20.
a little late. It's a case of too little, too late for Parupalli Kashyap, who, as Sanjay mentioned, has had a wonderful year. If you consider that Singapore Super Series, the semi-finals that he played, yet another
13-20.
breather there, so to say. 13-20. Commonwealth Games bronze medal in individuals, silver medal in the team championship.
Game.
Well, it's all over, and it is Rumbaka, Dionysius Rumbaka, the top seed from Indonesia, who keeps his